Hi students, good evening. Welcome once again to our IT online class. In our previous class, we have discussed something from our first chapter, the world of designing. There, we have to learn how to prepare a banner for a coffee shop by using Inkscape software. That is, we have to learn some basic concepts of designing by using Inkscape. For that, first we have learned how to prepare a cup and saucer from our previous class. Today we have to finish our banner designing. So first we have to open the file cup and saucer.svg that we have prepared from our last class. Open with Inkscape. Now you can see the cup and saucer we have made earlier. Next we have to add text. For that, select rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Give a suitable color. Then you have to add text. For that, select text tool and add the text or type the text, that is, taste the real taste of nature. Taste the real taste of nature. Taste the real taste of nature. Then select the text and give suitable color also. Then give shadow to the text. Select the text and take its duplicate. Then change color of duplicate. A light color you can select. Then arrange so as to get a shadow of the text. Arrange the second text so as to get a shadow. Arrange it properly so as to get a good shadow. Then group it. Select all, then object group. Then keep the text below the saucer. For that, arrange the text, then keep the text below the saucer. Next, we have to arrange the text as a curve. For that, draw a circle by using circle tool. Then select the text tool and type the text, that is, a Kudumbashree initiative. A Kudumbashree initiative. A Kudumbashree initiative. Then select the text. Listen. First you select text, then press shift key and select the circle. First text, then circle. Okay. Then go to text, put on path. Now you can see the text as a curve. Okay. By using space key you can arrange it. Is there any problem with the text like this? You can enlarge the circle. Then by using space key again you can arrange it. Then you have to remove the color of the circle. For that, select the circle and go to fill, no color. Okay. Then again you can arrange that text properly and you can give suitable color also. Then keep the text above the cup. Okay. Keep the text above the cup. Arrange its size and arrange it properly. Okay. Then group all the objects. Object group. Select all, then object group, and you can reduce its size and also you can give background color by using rectangle tool like this. To get the object above, go to object, then rise. Object rise, you have to select the suitable color. Now you can see the object above that rectangle. Then you can group it. Select all the objects, and go to objects group. Okay, then next you have to import a background picture. For that, go to file, import. From school resources folder, you have to import a background picture. In school resources standard 10, you can see 3 images. Select one, then ensure embed, then click OK. Now you have to arrange that background image, then fix that logo above that image. For that, object raise. Okay, then arrange it properly. Then next you have to add one more text, coffee house. For that, select text tool and type the text coffee house. Select the text and you can give a suitable color also. Then arrange it above the background image. You can give a suitable color, arrange it also. Now our banner is almost okay. Then group it. Now our banner is okay. Banner is ready. Then next you have to change the size of canvas. For that, go to file, document properties. There, resize page to content. Then you can see there, resize page to drawing. Select it and close that window. Then last, you have to export this banner as a PNG file. So export as, you can select the folder. You can give file name .png. Okay, then save it, then export. Now our banner is ready. You can open it. A PNG file you can see there. This is our banner. So we have learned to prepare a banner by Inkscape software.